What happens when the smooth hum of a tuning fork meets the precision of a quartz crystal? In 1970, Bulova answered with the Accuquartz, a revolutionary hybrid that changed watchmaking forever. This wasn't just a watch, it was the future ticking ahead of its time. When Bulova introduced the Accuquartz in 1970, it wasn't just an evolution in timekeeping. It was a masterclass in mechanical ingenuity and technological foresight. The Accuquartz wasn't a mere quartz watch, nor was it a traditional tuning fork watch. It was something entirely unique, the first hybrid of its kind, merging the precision of quartz technology with the smooth vibrational consistency of a tuning fork. At the heart of the Accuquartz lay the Bulova 224 movement, a marvel that integrated two groundbreaking technologies. The tuning fork, which had been the cornerstone of Bulova's Accutron series since 1960, provided the smooth, vibration-driven motion that eliminated the tick of traditional watches. This innovation had already revolutionized the industry with unparalleled accuracy. The addition of a quartz crystal to the tuning fork mechanism elevated the design even further. Quartz oscillators, known for their stability and precision, provided a consistent reference frequency. The tuning fork maintained its signature 360 Hz vibration, while the quartz crystal and accompanying circuitry ensured the vibrations were corrected and regulated for extraordinary precision. By employing this hybrid design, the Accuquartz achieved an error margin of mere seconds per month, a remarkable feat for the time. The tuning fork in the Accuquartz vibrated at a frequency of 360 Hz, driven by an electromagnetic coil powered by a small battery. This vibration was translated into mechanical motion via a series of index wheels, which then drove the hands of the watch. The quartz crystal, meanwhile, acted as an electronic regulator, ensuring that the tuning fork's vibrations remained steady and accurate over time. This complex interaction required a highly efficient circuit to manage the flow of electricity between the quartz, tuning fork, and electromagnetic coils. The result was a seamless marriage of mechanical and electronic components, creating a timepiece that represented the cutting edge of 1970s watchmaking. The Accuquartz garnered so much acclaim that even the king of rock and roll, Elvis Presley, owned one, cementing its status as both a technological marvel and a cultural icon. A quick side note, our Swiss-trained watch repair team enjoys every opportunity to work on high-quality vintage timepieces, especially those with larger-than-life historical figures like Elvis Presley attached to them. So, in 2020, when a vintage watch with the inscription King on the back came into our repair shop, we were thrilled and honored to take care of it. As it turned out, the 1974 10K gold Bulova Accuquartz was originally a Christmas present from Elvis to his former bodyguard and wardrobe manager Richard Davis. The Accuquartz design reflected its technical sophistication. Accuquartz models were crafted with a focus on precision and durability, showcasing Bulova's commitment to innovation. Each watch balanced advanced technology with timeless elegance, making it a standout piece for anyone who appreciated quality craftsmanship. This wasn't just a watch, it was a conversation piece, a wearable tribute to technological progress. Designed for professionals who needed absolute reliability, these watches combined bold, legible dials with robust cases. The Accuquartz also included luxury variants with gold cases and diamond embellishments, proving that technical mastery could coexist with elegance. The Accuquartz represented a transitional moment in horology. While the quartz revolution ultimately overshadowed tuning fork technology, the hybrid innovation of the Accuquartz demonstrated Bulova's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what was possible. It served as a bridge between the past and future, combining the artistry of mechanical watchmaking with the precision of electronics. Today, the Accuquartz is celebrated by collectors as a symbol of innovation and ingenuity. Its unique movement remains a testament to Bulova's ability to adapt and innovate in a rapidly changing industry. The watch stands as a reminder that great design isn't about abandoning the old, but about finding new ways to integrate and elevate it. In the world of watchmaking, few innovations have achieved the balance of elegance and precision that the Accuquartz delivered. It wasn't just a timepiece, it was a mechanical masterpiece that continues to inspire awe decades later.